everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly and this is The Appearance of Clean. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoy the video and consider hanging around and subscribing. I would love to have you in my YouTube family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. And if you have a channel as well, please let me know. I will be glad to subscribe and support you as well. I love watching other YouTubers. Last week I did a kitchen clean and sanitize, and I mentioned that I am immune compromised due to a kidney transplant that I received in 2008. And to this week, my husband and I have decided to pull me out of the game, and I am now, I guess what they call social distancing. I am staying home. So I'm getting a lot of cleaning done, which is great. So this week I am cleaning and sanitizing both bathrooms, my guest and my master, and then I'm doing a good clean in my master bedroom. I have done some other footage of like the cleaning of the floors and mopping and sanitizing the tile, but I'm going to put that on another video, so watch for that in the near future. So enjoy the video, everybody. Have a great weekend. I hope everybody is safe, and I'll talk to you soon.
You and I expect as much. We're both more than ready to go from.
So the cleaning products I'm using today are the Clorox disinfectant spray. I'm doing the Clorox wipes, and I'm using for the first time the Method Antibac. I like it. It just seems like it takes a little bit longer to sanitize. It says 10 minutes. So I'm using it on the hardware, like the faucet and the tub hardware, and I'll be using it in some other areas just to try it out. I do like it. I've used it on my granite, but it kind of left it looked a little greasy, so I went over it with something else. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but I'm going to give it a go. So that's what I'm using. The bathtub, I gave it a good scrub down with Barkeeper's Friend, washed that, and then I sprayed it with the Clorox disinfectant spray and let that sit for a couple of minutes, and then rinsed that out as well. And that's how I sanitized my bathtub, and I used the Clorox wipes around my toilet basin. While the floors are drying in the guest bath, I thought I'd run over to the master bath and go ahead and get the toilet started. Double timing it.
'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch. I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you.
So I'm curious if anybody else out there watching my video is also staying home voluntarily and social distancing or self quarantine. I'm not exactly sure what the term is, but is anybody else staying home and taking this virus as serious as I am, or what's going on? What part of the world or country are you in?
And I remember every day that I spent with you, the look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. And I remember every day that I have spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb. And all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. A picture of you. It's a picture of And I remember every day that I've spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I
I never thought breakups were pretty. You told a lie, I let you go. You started the words that I completed, but that was then, so long ago. I told you then, like I say now, that we were golden. Now you're not here, you brought us down, I told you so. Oh, how I wish I didn't care, that we were okay, that I could just erase, rewind, let it roll. Meet me back here next year, and I'll be fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then, I'll be fine by then. I go to bed to get up early. I go to work and not much change. I met a girl and she's quite funny, but I'm not quite there, ready for love. It's been alright without you here, though it was better when you were there right by my side that long ago. Oh, how I wish I didn't care if I was okay, that I could just erase, rewind, let it roll. But now I've been there, done that, and now I'm fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own.
Alright guys, so I'm just kind of wrapping it up here, just finishing with my vacuuming, and then I will be done. So check back in the next couple of days for my next video. I'll be doing the tile and cleaning and sanitizing my floors in the front of the house. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. Have a great and safe weekend.
I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then.